Hello guys, this is Ansh and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to teach you Python in one video. So let's begin this video. So first of all, what is Python? Python is an interrupted high-level general purpose programming language. And this is the one of the most popular programming languages. And this is the one of the most easiest programming language. Python is commonly used for developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualizations, and artificial intelligence. Okay, so now history of Python. Python is created by Guido van Rossum. First appearance of Python is on 20 February 1991. Python is written in C programming language, and also C is also a most popular programming language. Okay, and now how to download Python. First you have to go your browser and search download Python and click on first link, and also check this is the original site of Python. For check you have to see the domain of site. If it python.org, see, so that means this is the original site of Python. And after that, download Python and install it. Some software for write the Python code. There are some software for write code of Python like VS Code, Anaconda, PyCharm, and Idle. It's automatically downloaded after download and install Python. And now code of Python, the main of point of the video. When you are making the file of Python, so you there is a mistake. You have to write extension. You have to write extension, which is .py. After that, to print hello world, write print and brackets and double quote hello world or something else you wanna write. Okay, so now let's make the file of Python. And I'm gonna to minimize it, and I will go my Python folder. Okay, and click open with code. I'm going to use VS Code, and yeah, I will also make a specific video on how to set up Python in VS Code. After that, I will close this get started, and I will make a new file 1.py, as I say .py. And after that, for print hello world, you have to write print and bracket and double quote and hello world. Okay, that's it. And also you haven't to write semicolon like this. Okay, and I will run Python file, and here you can see hello world has been printed. And yeah, also how to comment in Python. For comment you have to write yeah, this no, you have to write control slash hashtag for comment. And how to add two numbers. For example, I will make a variable a equal 10, B equal 20 and C equal A plus B and print C. Okay, and after that I will refresh it, and here you can see 30 is the answer. So you can also I will comment this line. Okay, and here I will write A plus B. Here also you can do. Okay, 30. So now I will comment this line. Okay. So now if else statement. If else statement. Okay. I'm going to if else statement in Python. If else in Python. Oh, Python. For example, this one. And yeah, here you can see A equal 33, B equal 200. And if B is greater than A, then okay, try it yourself. Okay, if B greater than A, print B is greater than A. Okay, and else statement, else here also a else statement. And yeah, very important line, if statement without intention will erase an error. Yeah, there's a elif. Here you can see if B is greater than A, then print B is greater than A. Elif A equal, this sign is equal, and print A and B are equal. Okay, and else statement, where is else statement? Yeah, here is else statement. Here you can see if B is greater than A, then print B is greater than A. Okay, if A equal B, print A and B are equal, else A is greater than B. And I will write, and then I will run it. So B is greater than A. Okay. So now maybe you can understand if else statement. Okay. And now that's it, guys. If you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.